What's going on, guys? Crustless Crypto here, back in the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We just hit 900 subscribers, guys. Cannot believe it. I'll be giving away $100 worth of EGLD once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So please, guys, support the channel. Let's get this community growing here. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. It's your one-stop shop for all things crypto. Please check it out if you want to. I do have a Twitter as well. Please follow me, guys. I only have 80 followers. Like, I don't know if I'm not cool or I just suck, but please, guys, follow me on Twitter. We're gonna get right into this video here. Looking at just Bitcoin in general, right? $63,000 is still holding strong, up 10%, 7 days. Binance coins at 491, Ethereum's at 3,800, so everything is holding strong. Bitcoin dominance right now is 47.1%. Now we actually look at Ethereum, and it actually showcases Ethereum dominance at 18%. I don't know how long CoinMarketCap's been doing this, but taking a look down at EGLD, sitting at 40. It has actually gone down in the rankings. Now, if we actually look at the EGLD price, it went down about $10, so slight dip here, sitting at $229. Again, we've been trading sideways for the past couple of weeks here. Nothing too crazy. It did pump the last 3 days ago, but other than that, it's been bouncing up and down. Now, a lot of people have been doing technical analysis and say that the chart looks good for EGLD, saying it will push up to the 400s. Me personally, I would like it to go down so I can buy some more. And there's no guarantees that it will go up or down, but it's just based on what the markets are doing. Binance is one of its main exchanges that it's transacting on, but it's also on other platforms such as KuCoin, and you can also buy it directly from the EGLD Myer wallet. So a lot of options there. It's gonna be a quick video, some awesome updates on EGLD, everybody's favorite coin, at least mine's anyway. So checking it out here. Last week, if you guys were not up to date, Elrond acquires the e-money license and payment processor TwistPay. So it was a really big deal, big news. I did a video on there. I'll put it up in the card above me. $50 million US investment fund in Dubai incubator by Morningstar Venture Capital. I also did that on that same video. And breaking headlines, 70 plus media mentions, and multi-chain DID for Web 3.0 via Latentry. So a lot of good stuff coming out, guys. A lot of growth, a lot of things moving. Too much people care about the price, and they just want the price to rise so they can sell and take profits. I don't care about the US dollar equivalent or whatever your country's equivalent is. I care about the EGLD coin itself, the technology that it's providing, and what it's doing for the blockchain, right? Now, some of the milestones that it's achieved: 831,000 accounts, 8.99 million transactions, and 12 million staked. And the Myer stake statistics is 1.8 million EGLD staked, and 70,000 people are staking. So awesome stuff, guys. Media mentions all over: Yahoo Finance, Cointelegraph. It's all in here. Just check out their Twitter post here on the Elrond network. Going into the next one, huge milestone. Lucian Minku just posted the Elrond network mainnet just passed the 9 million transaction mark without skipping a beat. Zero downtime for a protocol running on 3,200 servers spread all over the world is a lot of hard work. Congrats to the developers and validators. Now, let me repeat that, guys. 9 million transactions, and the blockchain, knock on wood, has not gone down. Has no downtime. So it's been running for this long, since its insurrection. And this is awesome. It just shows me the capabilities of the Elrond network and the technology that it's bringing to the table. The price, it does not reflect it, and a lot of people don't understand that it takes time. It takes time, and patience is a virtue. Ethereum didn't get to $3,800 overnight. Bitcoin didn't get to $62,000 overnight. It's going to take time, and people just want to get rich quick. And unfortunately, that's not how the world works. So, lastly, we're going to be taking a look at this blog post, this news update from Benjamin Minku, taking U.S. exposure to the next level. 350 million people in 51 U.S. jurisdictions and Canada will get a compliant path to access EGLD via the Zero Hash integration. So, taking a look here at this, we are excited to announce that Zero Hash, the leading regulated digital asset settlement platform that can operate in 51 U.S. jurisdictions, has added native EGLD support for settlement, custody, and liquidity services. As a result, 350 million people in the US and Canada, as well as financial institutions and regulated platforms, have access to EGLD in a fully compliant manner. So, the integration went live over the weekend, and our payment processor partners have started the integration process to allow US customers access to eGold via card payments and bank transfers. So this is really big stuff, guys. eGold, Elrond Network, Benjamin Minku, they really want to get into the US market. They see the potential for growth, they see the potential for gains, how much money the US could pour into its market cap. Billions of dollars alone, guys, can double or triple the price. That is his focus. That's why he goes to Florida and meets with the mayor of Miami. He tries to get in and tries to find opportunities to, spread the Elrond ecosystem's influence and credibility among different countries. Keep in mind, this is a Romanian-based blockchain, and Europe has a lot of different rules and regulations from the US and, like said, from China or Japan. So it's just very, very different, guys. So this is huge. Now, coming from Benjamin Minku, the Zero Hash integration clears a compliant path for 350 million people in 51 US jurisdictions and Canada to get access to eGold via our existing fiat on-ramp partners, as well as provide the infrastructure to enable rapid growth in the US markets for compelling products built with the internet-scale blockchain technology. And this is coming from the VP of Engineering at Zero Hash, Eric Schluter. We're really excited to integrate with an innovative network such as Elrond. Their tech is exceptional, and they've put a lot of effort into building tools. I'm confident this project will have an important component of the wider ecosystem in the near future, guys. In the near future. So, I want to kind of talk about what Zero Hash is. And this is what I love about eGold, is that they give kind of an introduction on what that entity is, right? For people who don't know Zero Hash. Excuse me. So, Zero Hash's mission is to empower innovators by delivering access to the financial system 2.0. Zero Hash provides the complete turnkey solution to allow platforms to launch digital assets and own the client experience without any regulatory overhead and a light technical lift, which is a matter of API endpoints. Now, the Zero Hash enables developers and businesses to focus on building experiences and products. Zero Hash's clients includes neobankers, broker-dealers, and payment groups, some of the biggest entities in the US, right? Zero Hash Holdings is a Delaware C Corp that wholly owns Zero Hash LLC and Zero Hash Liquidity Services. Zero Hash LLC, subsidiary of Zero Hash Holdings, is a FinCEN financial, I believe, centralized registered money service business, as well as a regulated money transmitter that can operate in 51 US jurisdictions. They also hold a virtual currency license from the NYDFS. In Canada, Zero Hash LLC is registered as a money service business with FinTrack. So awesome stuff, guys. I actually want to take a look at their website here and check it out. Right here, guys, digital asset settlement and prime services, liquidity, post-trade risk management, and regulatory compliance. So this is awesome, guys. Awesome partnership. We'll have to see what more comes out from this, in terms of what they can do. I won't get too much into detail, but if you guys want to check it out, I'll put it in the links in the description down below. So let me know what you guys think. Not much updates here. I'm going to kind of give my personal sentiment on the market right now. Again, guys, please do not worry about the Mire exchange. It will be coming out. A lot of people are complaining about the problem is that Benjamin Minku and its team gave tentative dates, but didn't give any updates in terms of those dates. I think that's where he personally messed up on, was once you give dates, people are going to hold you to that. So it's hard to set solid timelines, and if you don't meet those timelines, try to just, I won't say ignore, but not give any updates to the people, because there are some people who put this stuff on their calendars and they track it. So, and they screenshot tweets saying, hey, this is coming out, or posts that's saying, hey, it's going to be coming out on this date. So I understand that. I understand the frustration from some people, but you have to understand that if they want a truly zero bug, or at least 99.99% bug-free ecosystem exchange, right, decentralized exchange, it takes time. So with that said, let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, smash the subscribe button, 1,000 subscribers only need 100 more people. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. I'll see you guys in my next video.